YouTube, what up, what up? YouTube, you know what it is. Fuck. What up, YouTube? You know who it is, you know what it is. I'm JB and this is The Car Show. I'm back again with some more cars. Another video, not this time a review. But before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got 275 subscribers, 5K subscribers. I'm buying a Redeye. So hit that subscribe button and share the video. Speaking of red eyes, this video contains me and my boy, that boy Twin. Hit that subscribe button right there. That's his name right there. Me and that boy Twin, we check out his Redeye that he built from the ground up. Go ahead and check out his channel. It's on my page too, but check his channel out from the beginning. We took the Redeye out to our first car show and we messed up. The first clip of the video is gonna show you how it happened and so on so there, but it's a long video. Burnouts, donuts, you know, people getting pulled over. But first car meet for us that we ever been to. More car meets for this. I want to see how this video do. This do good, I'm gonna keep doing it. If y'all like it, I'm gonna keep doing it, because Michigan, we do car meets every weekend, so I'll start going to them, like, so yeah. But let's get into the video. Now listen to that nigga. I mean, when you get a good turn, then take off. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, you should have. Oh, I'm about to say, you should have stabbed off. Yeah, it's a red eye.
Smoke the whole block up. Look at that. They sick.
What if? Okay.
Okay. Had to do that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We done smoked the goddamn hood. Smoked the goddamn engine. Yeah, where's that?
Something leaking, they said. But I think that's just water. Oh, something right here.
Oh man, my boy done blew something.
What's leaking? Oh, back there? What's that? It's cooling. Where's it coming from? It's cooling. I don't see it. It says it's leaking, but I don't see where it's leaking.
I mean, hey, shit, it's time to chill out though.
Oh, no, we was doing that bitch crazy.
Something over here.
I think that thing was just too hot.
No, it's leaking down there.
Yeah, the pressure got too hot. It shot out the overflow. So we good. We good. We're running like fucking 797, bro. Shit. Oh, it is. No, it is. It's leaking.
Yeah, it's leaking. That's what I said. It's leaking down there. Otis came to
day.
save the day. Look at all them over there though. We gotta go over there.
Oh, I flow Mustang Otis, bro. You gotta get along, man. Dodge and Mustang gotta come together, bro.
So we driving, right? So he did a burnout at the light, then came back around. We came back around about to pull back in. It's a group of boys. I'm thinking that they like, you do that. They came to the window like, bro, your junk leaking. It's leaking. So Torian like cut all the way over.
I was about to pull in that line.
Bro,
But it was embarrassing.
I seen smoke coming all from out here. I'm like,
Back up.
we in custom mode for the rest of the day.
It just happened, bro.
No more track mode today.
When you build your car, bro, you forget certain things like this, bro. That's all. That's all. No gloves. No extra white tees. Yeah, I'm fucked. Oh.
For the record, y'all, this is built. It didn't come like this. He transferred everything. So you gonna have problems, man. You're gonna have problems. But it is a red eye. Don't get it misconstrued.
No major problem.
Of course, come on now.
I wonder if they got a 2-set at 5 below.
We just thinking of anything. Now he just said 5 and below got a 2-set.
Little 2-set.
And blew the mook, man. Come on, dog. It is what it is.
Oh, it is.
Got stuff over there going on, but with the video not over.
See that whole
dance. Look at him. Like,
What am I doing?
had to move the car.
Oh, it ain't going down.
Might as well let that bitch just sit there. All right, let's get it, man.
This is what happens when you pull it out early. I'm about to go to Dooley's. Get something to eat. It'll be here.
He got it leaning right there, right here.
Oh.
He left it leaning.
See that?
That's hard.
Oh.
That's hard. That's tough. Yeah, that's tough. He got it. He left it leaning. Is that legal? I don't know, bro.
The wheel not even on the ground.
Wide body, of course. You know how I go. Moparornocar. Sleeper. Yeah. Sleeper. He got the Rusies on the Buick. My boy. On the Buick. No. Man, we gotta get that. We gotta hit the Hellcat Durango, man. He just got it too. That motherfucker hard right there. The fuck is this? He got the forges on it. Hellcat. That's what I'm saying, bro.
They twins.
Twin red eye, two red eyes, cinnamon sticks.
They know each other.
Cinnamon stick. Trackhawk right there, of course. You know what it is.
Just sitting in the.
Just sitting in the cut.
I swear. He don't even need attention.
He don't care, yeah. I don't know what this is, but I like it.
That's nice.
It probably cost the most. That probably cost more than anything in his life, for real, for real. Never know. Yeah. He can't. That's how you lead, though. Viper. Hellcat, you hear that supercharger? Here he come. Here he come. Oh man.
I don't think he's full.
That's a wide body too.
Old school.
That's a scat. That's a scat.
That's old school right there.
No, that's somebody else.
Oh, that's this.
Come on, Dad.
Look at that. Look at the wide body. Oh, Hellcat wide body. Oh, you hear it whining. Go ahead, man. Yeah! They can't be mad. This is the smell of glory. It's SS for sure. You can't sleep on them. You can't sleep on them. You can't, hey, you put that in your stomach. You can't sleep on them. Good Bentley. Good Bentley, 350. That's new too. grandpa fooling. Uh-oh, you know what he about to do.
Why you slowing down?
Why the Mustang slowing down? What he about to do? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is fast for sure. That's supercharged. Hey. He got it? Just then, he got his antifreeze back.
Full bottle, so we about to run that red out right now, bro. Run it.
On this time.
We get you this time. Come on! We get him this time.
It is fun. Like, you gotta get that angle. You gotta get that angle. Oh, shit. The boys. The boys. We don't like.
Oh, Mustangs always do it. Fucking Mustangs.
You trying to act like you ain't mean to do that.
You ain't mean that.
Look at him.
You gotta watch out for them.
You gotta watch out for them.
Mustangs, them be the ones that swing up.
He ain't mean to do that.
That's so different.
It is different. Get the fuck. Let me get out his way. Get out his way.
Hey, that's a turbo. He a beast. He a beast.
They're going old school. He almost lost it. He almost lost it. Wide body. But I'm scared. That's stock, bro.
That's so,
Bro.
sounds so crazy.
Oh, okay. I thought he hit something.
Oh, that boy bouncing. Yes, sir.
That's a young dude. That's a dude. He got a ponytail.
Do not touch. Oh my God.
It's Lamborghini style right there. What's in here? Nah. That's supercharged. What is that screaming over there? That's a Mustang? That's over here. Let me go see some, man. Let me go. Scat, of course. My boy Twin right there. Okay, Twin, I see you. Oh yeah, you know what that is. Is that the Fusion? Oh! Yeah, that is the Fusion. Hold on. Is it? Bro. This is my favorite vet right here. It's my favorite vet right here. By far. They killed it with this. We out here still
stranded, low key.
Yeah, we stranded because we can't go nowhere until our Mustang friend bring that antifreeze.
Oh God. I got the flyers ready.
Yeah, bro, I got my mic finally working back. Let's get back over here, dog. Big 8 right there. You know what's going on right here. The headlights. My boy fixing his, fixing what he got to fix. I'm gonna go over here and get some more footage. '50th anniversary, of course. He ain't do what I wanted him to do. That's quiet. Got the skin. Wide body charger. You know what we want. That's how you do it. Smoke it out. He smoked it out. Damn. Yeah. I ain't got the balls to do that. ST, I told y'all, don't sleep on these right here. That's RS, my bad, not ST, I'm sorry.
Got it.
Just what we needed.
Exactly what we needed.
It's not something you can just go buy in the store. You gotta go get this from Dodge. Only Mopar.
I was trying to get it done before you got here.
Hey, my man couldn't even, hey, you know what, shake my head, because you didn't even get a chance to enjoy the car meet. It's just getting started, though. It's just getting started.
I gotta show out.
You probably just in love.
This is the car meet. This is the car meet, bro. This hard.
That bitch still hot, though. That bitch hot, bro.
Yeah, I believe it. So.
I told him, like, bro, I'm telling him, don't do it again.
No, fuck that shit, bro. I can actually pull it off, but I'm gonna keep it on. I want to show y'all.
No, don't show me. I don't care. Honesty is the key with your friends. Be honest with your friends. We don't care.
That's why y'all my friends.
we don't care.
Don't want to see it. Just fix this shit.
You want some action, Otis?
Huh?
You want some action? You gotta go stand at that light up there.
At that light.
That's for everybody like coming in, bending they.
I don't want him to
Look at the B with the middle finger. I like that.
be hard.
I like that. That's hard. That's tough. Back to back SRT.
He's gonna do something.
gonna do it. You gotta do it. You got to. Okay. What he gonna do? What he about to do? What he gonna do? Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Smoke show. He went crazy for sure. Another wild body. What he gonna do? He gotta smoke it out. Them new tires.
Man, that's a hard wide body. He probably one of the hardest wide bodies.
That's a red eye too.
That's a beautiful color.
What the Tesla gonna do? He gotta take off. We can't hear him though. That motherfucker fast. That's a fucking rocket, bro.
It smells like rubber so much. Mustang, right here.
You gotta back up. He gonna fishtail. It's a Mustang.
He ain't gonna let it happen. He ain't gonna let it happen.
He caught it though.
He wanted that 392 to come up.
I don't trust Mustangs. Still out here messed up right now, man. I'm still getting footage and everything, but I gotta check on my boy. Drop the clamp.
Drop the clamp, bro. I gotta sacrifice it.
What's what come with it? What's what come with it? So if you want to build a car, you think it's easy? It ain't. You don't want to. You want to build a car at all? This is what come with it. It's not cakes and Skittles, man. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go. I gotta get some more footage. Fuck. We're gonna check on that boy twin.
Alright, I'm gonna jerk it hard.
Right after this. seen this guy about 6 times. Test.
We got people actually doing front shoes.
Hellcat. It's a girl. Trackhawk. Oh, that's too much power for him. 300. That's SRT8. That's SRT8. Damn. So I'm back after that montage. Go ahead, that boy Twin. Tell them what you did.
Basically, my boy O came in the clutch.
Mustang owner, by the way.
I dropped the only clip I needed, so we had to put some zip ties on it, bro. Hey, old fashioned way. Hey, old fashioned way.
Old fashioned.
Get us to the crib.
We gotta get home some way.
Just to get home, man. Man.
Hey, why that's sitting there? What's this? Oh, okay. I got scared. I didn't know what that was. My bad. Hey.
You made it nervous.
I'm scared.
My arm got 40-degree burns all up it.
Engine's still hot.
Yeah, hot as shit getting older.
So listen, man, my boy O been saving the day all day. I got his phone right now. My phone died. Can't record, so we back in action.
Hey,
Let's get it.
I'm gonna steal one off somebody who got their hood locked.
Rolls Royce right there. I didn't even see that. What he gonna do? Nothing. It's a grown man with. See the McLaren right there, 50th anniversary, of course. Another wide body. They out here though. Oh, okay. Calm down, bro. Calm down. What are you doing? What was you about to do? Bro, you don't need no ice cream, bro. Okay.
All right.
Tesla gonna take off. I seen him like 6 times. Hey. Somebody downshifted. He didn't mean to do that.
Oh, he's back.
Give us a little something. A little something. Hey, he ain't got no headlights.
Got no headlights.
Hey! Charger.
Ghost town.
Nice.
SRT8. Can't sleep on these either. Yeah, that's the Jetta. You can't sleep on them.
No, that's my car. Fuck. Where I am.
Oh, he left. He got the wheelie bar on his back. Parachutes on the back. You know he be doing something he ain't got no business doing. Hey y'all, hey, what are we doing?
I don't know. My stomach hurt. I'm ready.
And we having the time of our lives though. It's RT Durango. It's an RT. What he gonna do? Oh! Yeah. That's how you turn out. He got mufflers at the top. I'm glad he caught it. SRT. Are they about to... This scatty. Bro, that's the same guy. It wasn't meant to be, alright? It wasn't meant to be. You probably could have smacked.
Right.
You probably could have smacked.
Shit. Oh my God.
Shut up! Bro, if I see him one more time, he been out, bro. He been doing the same thing all day. I'm high as hell. Oh shit.
Oh, he smoked us.
Oh, we asked for it for sure. Oh shit. And we asked for it. We asked for that.
You better hurry, Audi.
I got Trackhawk. He ain't gonna race it.
Oh, and he got a head start. And he got a head start. And he got a head start. Woo!
Like fucking GTI.
Okay. We almost got it, y'all. That's a charge, that's a Hellcat. Right, again, they going in. They going in. Oh, that's that car on GTA.
That Ram's going back like it's 50.
I ain't gonna lie. This is all you about to hear when you go to sleep. You're gonna keep hearing it. First car meet, man. We out here. JB Car Show. Subscribe to the channel, of course. Yo.
Like, we want to see you. Hey!
Supra. They're gonna hellcatdurango. Woo! Now that's the fastest car here. Now that's the fastest car.
He doing it. He making a show.
Oh shit. Uh-oh.
They got him. Yeah, they got him. Wow.
No, they did. Oh, they did.
Why though? Like, why? He's not the only one. He just making them.
He ain't doing it. That's a Hellcat too, man. Come on. That's a girl.
We got 2 vets behind.
2 vets right there. Scat pack right here. Lincoln. That's a wild bike. That's the 50th anniversary right there. That's a girl.
Back over here. Got no sound.
Yeah, no sound. Corvette chill, bro. Just chill, man.
Got 2 Corvettes coming up. Oh yeah.
He ain't do nothing.
Going in. White truck about to get done.
He really got on the ground and took his muffler off of that.
Look at Tori. Sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, y'all. It's a little too quiet, man. It's a little too quiet.
This how I have mine right here. Blacked out.
Yeah, that's that. Oh my, you hear a rumbling too.
Yeah, that's
Hey, just imagine being pulled over for doing the burnout. Everybody else out here doing it, and like you the only one that got caught. He got sacrificed for sure. All right. Everybody trying to come over here now. Spin it! Spin it!
He a little rusty.
He like,
He got a little neck. He got a little neck.
Magnum, that's a scat Magnum.
For real?
Yeah, he got a scat engine in there.
That's fire.
He got the seats in there. He got the whole interior in there.
You don't expect to be grubby.
I can see that. No, that's the police. Chill, bro. Yeah, get behind him. Get behind him.
What's that?
What? That's a Mustang. Oh, look at police right there.
Come on, bro. He turned his head like this.
He turned him on. Everybody chilling now. We this might be it.
Pretty much it.
Pretty much it.
Oh, man, I don't see nothing else. Police starting to take over now.
Yeah.
Police, you gotta show the police.
JB Car Show, you know. Subscribe, like, share. Got a Supra and stuff right there. McLaren. Trying to make it home, y'all. It's rising. It's become a building it. 20 minutes, y'all.
My head swing.
But this is like the longest 20 minutes, y'all.
I've ever driven.
Like usually 20 minutes, we get there in 5 minutes, but
Don't listen though. As long as it don't hit 260. That fan really helped me. It's keeping it down. That's why I got it in track mode right now. Oh yeah, we should be good.
y'all see his face right now? He look like he about to cry. Oh man. I hate this. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary. We playing a
what's about to happen.
Yeah, we playing a dangerous game right now.
Game. That bitch running hot. Shit.
What a day.
What a day. Literally let off the gas, let it roll.
Yo, this was a sign.
I'm glad it happened.
Cause we was fooling these past couple of days. We've been fooling. We ain't even had no. It ain't no footage.
And I felt like today was the day to go.
Today was the day to go dump.
Craziest.
Yeah, but we going nowhere. We doing donuts, flying on the freeway. Today was the day, but
Today was the day.
hey, this was a sign because he would have lost it.
I ain't never felt this salty in my life.
Oh.
Alright, let off.
Dang, 19 minutes still, right? How long we gonna be?
I'm going too fucking slow. Maybe I need to pick up
gotta put this up for a couple weeks.
Ah, it's going to 260.
Y'all, this might be the longest drive.
I swear, I should just push that bitch all the way there.
Nah, it's going down. It's going down.
Going down. Got some cooling in there, but not enough. Not enough at all. That one bottle was not enough.
Oh, so it didn't like fill it all the way up.
It didn't even.
Oh, cause
it didn't get to the reservoir.
so the rest just drained out.
Yeah, it drunk it all. There's none in the reservoir, but there's some in there.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, one bottle. But now I know. Keep 8 bottles in the trunk.
Keep 8 bottles in the truck of coolant.
Definitely. We getting there. We getting there.
It keep overheating.
It was going there. I just let it cool down. I don't hear the fan kicking in.
Yeah, the fan ain't kicking in.
Usually it kick in, but I didn't know it had to run.
Let's see. Hold on. Let's see.
Go yeah, cool down mode.
Race cool down.
Shit spiked.
Activate.
Okay. That worked, I hope.
Says activating. It's activated.
Activated. That's what we should have rolled it in. Can you ride in that?
No, you gotta sit down. Or you gotta just sit still.
Oh, yeah, it's dropping that bitch. So, all
Alright,
right,
we just let it cool down.
Get it. We let it cool down. We at 180. 180 right now.
We just let it.
It ain't going no lower. So I wonder when we run that, should I keep it in track? Because the fan be blowing.
I don't know, bro.
Do track activate like heat?
That's what I'm saying.
Should I keep it in custom?
I try to keep it in custom, see what it do.
Ah,
Let's see. Let's just see.
like all custom, like everything. All right, there we go. Shit ain't changed.
It ain't changed.
It changed.
Okay, it's changing.
Come on now. Street. Come on, bitch.
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. We just running it. Let's get it. Bitch, a piece of shit. I'm sorry, I ain't mean that.
I straight smell coolant, bro.
You smell it now?
I smell it, yeah.
I wonder did that thing come off? No, I didn't. You would have known it. Traction is off. How the fuck is my traction control off? Look like we still in it.
Alright, y'all, we had to stop again. His temperature keep rising in the car. Huh? No. I'm out here. I'm out here. Temperature keep rising. It's hard, man. I ain't got nothing to say. So show these folks what you. Why you eating ice cream, bro?
I don't even want you.
He didn't put ice on the engine. That's what it came to.
Be lucky if I don't just close the hood. Wow, with that bitch on there.
Ride like that?
Slow.
Yeah, ride slow. Whew.
I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck. Car sucks.
We got another Hellcat. Oh, thought I heard a supercharger. You gotta stay. You gotta get out and watch. You gotta stand there. Yeah, y'all, we done called the tow truck.
Baby car show.
Yeah, man. It's a long video, y'all.
My face ain't that good. Scared to come through.
Y'all, we done made it back. Made it back. Yeah. Made it back.